What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is part 4 of the Dyno Day series. I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. In today's video, as you guys know already, we have Caleb, yes, another M4 with his beautiful Yas Marina M4, full bolt-on, upgraded turbo, you know, everything done to it that you can think of. We'll go ahead and interview Caleb in a little bit, but let me know if you guys enjoyed this series. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for future content, follow me on Instagram. And now let's get into Caleb's Dyno Day video. Next contestant, Caleb, yes, another M4. As you guys can see here, while they're strapping up his M4, Caleb, for those of you guys that don't know, is our straight track friend in our friend group. He's always at the track. This car is meant for the track, and everything he does is for the track. He has some meaty ass tires right here on the 513s. Make sure you guys give him a follow. Yes, another M4. This thing is absolutely sick. I'll show you guys the engine bay in a little bit. But yeah, got the roll cage and all. Super excited to see what Caleb puts down. He has upgraded Vargas turbos on a custom F80 Pontoon, full bolt-on, downpipe exhaust, you name it, he's got it. And a ton of stuff in the engine bay that I can't even list. The list is too long for me to remember, so I'll let him explain in just a little bit. Just wanted to interrupt this video to bring you guys a message from today's sponsor, and that's Simply Carbon Fiber. So as most of you guys know, Simply Carbon Fiber is a huge sponsor of my channel. Right here you guys are looking at my forged carbon fiber slim wallet. This thing is immaculate. Looks super sleek, and you can see the forged carbon pattern right there. It holds all of my credit cards, IDs, anything that I need, and it has this easy thumb grip right here so I can get out my cards super easily. And then on the back it holds all of my cash right there. So yeah, I absolutely love this thing. It always comes with me. It's super portable and doesn't take up too much space in your pocket. So do me a favor, guys, check out their website. They're actually going to have a big sale in October, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, please use my code FH10. It'll really do me a solid, and you'll get 10% off your order at checkout. So huge shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back into this one.
Lights on a Euro, LCI lights, rods and pistons.
All right, here's the man himself, my boy Caleb. Yes, another M4.
What's up, guys?
What do we have done to the M4, even though you have everything? And I can't even remember all the things you've done.
Yeah, so the basics, I'll start at the turbos and work my way out. I'm running Vargas GC Pluses with titanium wheels, coating, turbo blanket setup, catless downpipes, Vargas single mid, stock rear canister, then agency power intake, VRSF intercooler that I have modded to run with an interchiller from FI interchillers that I mocked on here, so it uses my air conditioning to cool that. I got a 3.5 gallon tank in the trunk for cooling supply, Mishimoto heat exchange, Stewart EMP water pump, Snow Performance meth, BM3 flex fuel tuned by F80 Paul, bend calibration, sensor and filter setup, B58 coil conversion, M5 EU5 injectors, and then brakes. So like I just upgraded brake pads, did some brake GT4 brake ducts.
Nice.
Suspension monoball conversion, front sway bar, end link, lower control arm, Vorslog camber plates, and then like headlights, which are just like the Euro LCI lights.
Yeah.
And LCI tails.
Nice.
And then that's just pretty much it.
Hell yeah. So what year is your car for everybody?
2015. Yeah.
Nice.
This is a 2015 carbon roof.
Nice.
DCT. I got 92,000 miles on it. I daily at the Starbucks every morning.
Hell yeah.
I got the page in there. I won my class at SPCA. I need seats now.
Nice.
Seats and seat time. So.
Hell yeah. There you go. This man has one of the most built F8Xs that I personally know, and I'm super happy to feature him on the channel finally. Been meaning to do so for the longest of times.
I'm just in the garage.
Yeah, but he's always in progress on certain.
Everything is in progress.
Yeah. But talking about your tune and power wise, like for the people that don't know, like you've had a couple dyno days before. Yeah. Tell them like where you think you're gonna be at today.
Turbo, I was like 500 on an F80 Pontoon with some bolt-ons. E30 with the OTS map On the Vargas turbos, I did 550. That was at another dyno location.
Yeah.
This is a really conservative map that I'm on, even though I'm on E70. Reason being, I don't do a lot of quarter-mile runs or road runs.
Yeah.
I do like 20, 30 minutes of like road courses where I'm just hammering the car and pushing a lot of heat.
Yeah.
So heat's kind of been my big thing, based on all my mods. It's just heat management. So I'm hoping for like 600.
Hell yeah.
Like, if I get 6, I'm happy.
Hell yeah. Let's go. Make sure you guys follow him on Instagram, support his build, and support his journey. This thing's a beast.
Yeah, 558 was the actual number.
What do you think about that?
I'm gonna empty my tank.
We noticed the leak. Now has a leak right here.
Yes, sir.
600?
Yes, sir.
I want it. Slow. By himself. There we go.
608.
Got it. Look at that.
590 torque.
So I'm still safe on the torque end.
By the way, I had no time to record, but this is just water. It's just one of his hoses popped off, so it's just water. Nothing to be worried about. But as you guys can see, water leak, 608.
I don't think he's tuned for meth right now.
Yeah. So it's off. Yeah, exactly. What are we thinking about the power band? Or the curve?
It's good.
Yeah. All the way up to 6. I don't know, right about 5200 too, same thing.
Pretty steady.
Yeah.
You notice his power band starts a little later, so that's why when like I raced Caleb way back,
Yeah.
I got the jump on him because my peak torque
Yeah.
and peak power was
Jumped up.
early on.
Yeah. And his upgraded turbos take a little while to spool compared to stock turbos, of course.
Yeah, bigger.
Yeah.
Bigger volume. More volume.
Yeah. All right, boys. What do you guys think about Caleb's numbers?
I'm thinking
hit
it's
his
pretty
goal.
good.
Yeah. He definitely hit his goal.
He was telling me his third gear was slipping too, so I mean if that's what's slipping,
Yeah.
if it did slip,
That's
What was
good.
he doing his runs in 4th gear?
I think fourth.
Well, we did actually 1 in 4th, 1 in 5th, and it was the same numbers.
okay. True. Yeah. With the men.
Yeah. That's not bad though.
All right, so the dyno operator said it could have been his fault because Caleb actually turned meth on, so. Running it back.
Okay, so that's a spike. 607. Okay, that's good.
607, okay.
Now, 607.
Right on line. This is meth on, so it's right on line with his first run at 608. What do you think about that?
If I can hit 700,
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to do it slowly.
Yeah. But what do you think about these runs?
Not too bad, I'm happy with it.
Hell yeah.
600, that's how much I need on track, and torque numbers are strong, upper 5s. and the power band looks all motor, which is what I want for road racing, so I'm happy.
Hell yeah.
So your car's not tuned for meth right now?
No, so the way I have it set up, I have it set up for my flex fuel tune, and meth is, I have two very, very small jets, pre-intercooler, used strictly for tuning, or used strictly for cooling.
Got it.
So it helps alleviate some of the heat load on the intercooler.
Yeah.
So that's all I'm using it for. The
So
plan,
if you're tuned for meth, like you
they
said.
make a lot more power, but the thing is, I don't want to run into the safety issues of what if I run out of meth.
Exactly.
Like-
And then your tunes for it, then you're risking your engine.
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
dependent,
Yeah, exactly. So the plan is I have a direct port set up at the house. I'm going to do direct port small nozzles as well, and only do a slight tune on that, but I'm going to do pure meth. But I'm going to have to build new fuel lines and everything before I do
Get
that.
like an analyzer.
All right, so that wraps it up for Caleb's dyno runs. They're gonna back his car out, and that means my F80 is up next. But that's probably gonna be the first video that you guys have seen in this series. But let's go. Caleb's car sounded insane, and then power-wise, I think he put down exactly what he was looking for. So make sure you guys follow him and support him as well. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoy the Dyno Day series with F30 Skirt, Towson's, and Caleb. Make sure you guys follow them all on Instagram. It was super fun to edit this series, but that is going to conclude it. I personally can't wait to run my F80 back. We actually just finished up installing some new charge pipes and a J pipe on my car, so you guys will see that soon in the next video. So stay tuned for that video. As always, make sure you guys hit that like button, that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, follow your boy on Instagram, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Peace.